In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated presentations with Canva 5 minutes. First, log into Canva. If you're new, a free account is enough for this workflow, and using a desktop browser makes the editor easier to navigate. Once you're on the home page, look for the Canva AI section. It's usually highlighted near the search bar or among the featured tools. Click Canva AI to open the workspace where we'll generate the presentation. Choose Design for me and select Presentation. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want. Be clear about the topic, the purpose, and the outcome you're aiming for. Mention who the audience is, the tone you want, formal, friendly, or persuasive, key points you must cover, any data or examples to include, and any brand colors or fonts to respect. The more specific your description, the better Canva's first draft will be. Next, use the drop-downs to refine the audience, length, and style. Audience helps shape the complexity and wording. Length determines the slide count, which you can still adjust later. Style controls the overall look, from clean and minimal to bold and colorful, so pick what fits your message. Click Submit or Generate Design. Canva AI will build several drafts for you, complete with slide titles, bullet content, and relevant images or graphics. Take a moment to scan the outlines and visuals. If something feels off, jump back to the prompt and tighten your instructions. Short, precise edits can dramatically improve the results. Preview the options, then select the version you like to open it in the editor. Here you can replace images, tweak wording, and reorder slides. If a slide is crowded, split it into two. If it's thin, ask the AI to expand or clarify the text. Keep headings concise and body text scannable. To refine further, use the AI tools in the editor to rewrite, shorten, or change the tone of text, and to suggest new layouts. Apply your brand colors and fonts, check alignment and spacing, and keep visual consistency with repeated elements like icons or shapes. When you're satisfied, present directly from Canva, share a view-only link, or download as a PDF or PowerPoint. Do a quick final pass for spelling, contrast, and slide order, and you're ready to share a polished, AI-generated presentation in minutes. For extra polish, add presenter notes for your key talking points, use high-contrast colors, and keep text large enough to read from the back of a room. Small accessibility tweaks go a long way.